I'm Miss Joanne from the Berkeley Library, and today we're going to be making stained glass Jello. So first we start with picking 4 different flavors of Jello. You can pick whichever kind you like. I think going with a variety of colors is what I wanted to do. So I have the most delightful multicolored stained glass Jello that I can make. So it's very easy. We start with making each box of Jello one at a time, and don't follow the package directions for this because otherwise the Jello is going to be too soft and squishy. So we just empty a packet. I'm starting with peach flavored Jello and 1 cup of hot water. And just gently stir it until all the sugar is mixed in. If you want to use sugar-free Jello for this, that's totally fine. It'll work just the same. So we do 1 flavor at a time. I think this is all mixed in. Then we pour it into a container. I'm using these disposable loaf tins for easy cleanup. And now we do the next flavor. Now that all 4 flavors of Jello are mixed, we're going to put each container into the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours until it's set up solid. Because we use small containers, it's not more than like an inch or so deep. It shouldn't take very long at all to set up. So once the 4 little Jellos that we've made have set up, we do our second part. We start with unflavored gelatin. You might not have even known this existed. They actually make gelatin that doesn't have any flavor to it, and you can add your own. So in this case, we take 2 envelopes of it. And we're going to add 2 cups of water, hot water. And give it a good stir until the gelatin is all mixed in. Once it's all mixed in, you need to let it cool down a little bit. And once it's cool, once it's starting to cool off, take a can of sweetened condensed milk and stir that in. Our colorful Jello is all chilled. Our Jello with the sweetened condensed milk has cooled off to a nice low temperature. So we're going to assemble our stained glass Jello now. So with a sharp knife, get help from a grown-up for this part. You're gonna wanna carefully cut the Jello into cubes. And then empty it into a 9 by 13 pan. So all the colorful Jello is cut up and placed into the pan. Now I'm going to gently pour our sweetened condensed milk Jello on top. It's so important that you wait for this to be cool, because if you put it in when it's too warm, it's just going to melt those Jello cubes that you spent time working on. You don't want to do that. Now that it's poured and covering our colorful cubes, we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator overnight. Hi, it's the next day and we're ready to slice up our stained glass Jello and put it on a plate. If you'd like to make another stained glass project, check out the video that my friend Miss Chris made. She's doing a stained glass craft as well. You can't eat the one she's making though. Let's see, I hope this comes out nice and clean. Oh, look at how pretty. And then you can just lay these on a plate and call all your friends over to enjoy.